Hello, traders. It is Friday, the 28th of February, and we are 2 hours into trading. It looks like the market's finally going to give us a little bit of a bounce here. Not necessarily the capitulation low that I've been looking for, but a pretty decent low here. Let's go into the 5-minute chart. You can see how the SPY was stepping down, had a bullish engulfing pattern almost right in here, and then just kind of chopped around. Larry Kudlow came out to try and calm nerves. Market got a little bit of a bounce. Could that be partly related to it? I think that more than that, this was a higher low double bottom right in here. Started to see a mix of green and red candles. We are so deeply oversold that a bounce is likely. So we got this bounce. It retraced, realizing that these comments meant nothing, but buyers were still engaged and able to hold a higher low. And now it looks like we might be poised to break out through this upper end of the trading range and get into the gap. If we're able to do that and we're able to close on the high of the day, we're going to have a resulting bullish hammer with a long tail under body, which would suggest that the lows are in. Now let me put up the major moving averages and we'll take a look at how things are currently shaping up here. Got the 200-day moving average. Everything else is so far above it doesn't really matter. But if we close on the high today, I would highly recommend that you buy stocks and you take positions over the weekend. I know how scary this is, but if we close on the high today, there's a very good chance that we'll gap higher on Monday, possibly even up to that 200-day moving average. Trust me, you'll be happy you did. Or you can sell out of the money bullish put spreads on stocks that I'm going to be showing you today that really look strong. I've got some excellent candidates. I'm not going to keep you long because the market's moving. I will tell you that I just bought some Microsoft calls before I started this. I'm going to go into the chat room and I'm going to show you Microsoft calls right there. I bought them. The 160 Lottos, those are the options that expire today. I bought them for $1.47. I bought them at 10.24. That is less than 2 hours into trading. You can see that they traded at a lower price than this. So everybody had ample chance to get in on this. I really like Microsoft. Let's go into that. I've also traded SPCE today on the long side. I think we're going to see a decent bounce in here. Let's keep that 5-minute chart up so that we can track it. We need to get through this resistance right here, and we need to get through it convincingly with consecutive green candles. Never look back. Keep going. That's the kind of buying that we need to see. Very, very persistent buying. I'm going to put my 10P indicator up just so that I can track it. I want to see what it's telling me to do also. So let's go in and take a look at some stocks that I really like. NVIDIA, love that stock. Look at this stock plow higher. I am long NVIDIA from back in here. Well, how could I have known? This is what I keep telling you on the relative strength side. Put that 1OSI indicator up. Was coming up on my searches this morning. By the way, we sold a bullish put spread on NVIDIA yesterday. Tomorrow I'm going to release the swing trading video that I posted to my members on Wednesday night. I'm going to tell you a little bit about those swing trades so that you can watch that video tomorrow. We are in a great position. This is a strong stock. You can see it opens on the low, long green candle closing on its high, and then the stock is able to hold its own. And look at that relative strength. Orange line above zero tells us that this stock wants to go higher. How could I buy it here with the market free falling? Because buyers are lined up, and I know they're lined up. Let's do the SPY overlay here. Look, market down, 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 down. What's the stock doing? Holding its own. This is a time when a weak stock would sell off with the market, but no. Buyers are trying to get every share they possibly can, and that is keeping support under the stock, and we can find these situations and get long. So let's say that I'm on the wrong side of the market and the bottom falls out. What does a stock like this do? Nothing. These people are still lined up. They want to buy more and more and more. So even though I'm on the wrong side of the market, I know that when that bounce finally comes, zoom. Look at the gains I have in this already. I'm long at 249 and that stock is at 266. Folks, this is what we do. Gosh, I hope you try our Option Stalker product and come in and check out all of this in the chat room. You can see my timestamps. In fact, I'm sorry, I'm tempted to go back right now and show you the timestamp in the chat room so that you know that I am long. And I can't do it right offhand, but trust me, I am long NVIDIA and I am long Microsoft. So Microsoft is the other stock that I've liked. Why did I like that? You can see in the right corner here, this is the S&P 500 on a 5-minute basis. See these green candles starting to build? They're going to explode higher here. This is a time to be long. Look at Microsoft go. We're in the money on those lotto calls. Stock is at 161 almost. These calls are going to scream. Who knows? Microsoft could finish at 165 today. Those options could be worth $5, maybe even more. I don't know how much they'll be worth. I just know that once they get in the money, they have to trade at parity, and there's going to be a lot of option implied volatility in these options on a rebound like this. So go market, go. What else do I like? We're noticing this early in the chat room. Some of the stocks that have been absolutely decimated by this coronavirus scare are starting to show signs of support. Here's another one with relative strength. This is RCL, Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines. Oh my God, look at the free fall in this baby. Yowzer. And look at that support down there. Look at this long engulfing candle here. Bullish engulfing candle. This stock is way oversold. Look at it grind higher. I don't know if I'll be able to get this video out in a half an hour, but you can buy this stock today, and I think you can hold it over the weekend. It has been pounded. HLT. Another one, not as good as RCL, but not bad. Another one breaking out to the high of the day. The market is still down. It's on the high of the day. Look at that. Another bullish engulfing pattern. So I've given you 4 stocks to look at, and I've told you the pattern that we really need to have. So let me also show you the stocks that we sold bullish put spreads on. You're going to see these in the video. Again, I posted it Wednesday night to my members so that they could get into these trades. And if you looked at the market, you would be thinking, Pete, what the heck are you thinking selling bullish put spreads? This is Wednesday night when the video came out. I told everyone in the video, we're going to see more selling. No question about it. I'm finding the strongest stocks. I think we're going to find support here at the 200-day moving average. We're going to sell way out of the money bullish put spreads on the notion that we touch here and bounce and run higher next week, at least pause. I'm not ultra bullish here. I am giving coronavirus the respect that it deserves, but I know an opportunity when I see one, and I think this market sell-off is at very least going to pause, and I'm going to take advantage of time decay, and I'm going to take advantage of inflated implied volatilities, and I'm going to stick with the March 6th expiration. I think we're going to be really happy next week, and we only took half the position size, so we are being relatively cautious. But the stocks that we did this on, you've already seen 2 of them, Microsoft and NVIDIA. We are way out of the money on these right now. Those are looking good. Twitter was another one. I figured that you would have a lot of people on their Twitter accounts if the coronavirus broke out. They don't have any exposure to China, and they don't have a lot of fixed overhead. So Twitter should hold up relatively well. We'll put up that SMA. You'll be able to see all of the analysis in the weekend video. I'm expecting it to get above that 100-day moving average. When it does, our bullish put spread will be in great shape. Spotify, you going to stop listening to your streaming music? No, probably not in coronavirus. Maybe you'll even be listening to more of it. We are short the 130, 129 bullish put spread with a week to go. Looking great. I think this market rally is going to go today. Get long. If we close on the high of the day, don't be worried. Buy some of these stocks that I'm showing you. Hold them over the weekend. I think you're going to be super, super happy with me when you come back and turn on your screen Monday morning. And if we do close on the high and we fill in this gap today, I think that Monday we're going to gap higher and perhaps up to that 200-day moving average is where we could finish the day on Monday. This is a buying opportunity. Be strong, be calm, don't oversize, take advantage of the move. Good luck trading. Watch for that video tomorrow, Saturday. If you like this content, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you turn on your notifications because you're always going to get actionable trade ideas and lots of education. Thank you. Good luck. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. I'm Pete Stolzers and I'm going to keep the trade ideas coming along with lots of education, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and please turn on your notifications so that you never miss another trade. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. I've loaded 2 other videos that I think you're really going to enjoy. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon.